luckily I got asked to be on this game show. Yeah.
If that's what you want to call it. All right. Last but not least, we have our matriarch, our judge, jury, and executioner. Give it up for Mama Bird.
Anarchy Fun Time Show.
Bird knowledge competition for our feather freaks, Mama Bird. Let's meet today's hatchlings in the nest.
My name's Alex, and birds are my life. Chirp, chirp.
My name's Sam, and I belong in AA. By that I mean Avian Anonymous.
Okay, well, I'm Reese. I was standing in line outside and got let in here, and then luckily I got asked to be on this game show. Yeah.
If that's what you want to call it. All right. Last but not least, we have our matriarch, our judge, jury, and executioner. Give it up for Mama Bird. All right. You know how this game goes. Let's see who gains the strength to fly away with the prize of life and who is the weakest and will be kicked out of the nest.
Ooh, the prize of my life. Wow, I'm excited.
I think you heard me wrong. All right, now name this bird. This bird has an eerie name that matches a haunting call and dark plumage. They kick the weakest link after hatching almost immediately. Name that bird. All right, contestants, our time is up. Name that bird. Satanic nightjar is correct. All right, I don't even know what you wrote there, Reese. That's too bad. All right, well, Mama Bird only has enough to feed the strongest baby birds with the highest chance of survival. It's time for that first round. Isn't it sweet?
All hail
Mama Bird!
Okay, what the hell was that? It's the fight for survival, Reese. Now, moving on to question number 2. With soft, fluffy feathers on its back and a tongue-twisting name, this one launches underperformers from the nest almost immediately after hatching, like 5 minutes after. Brutal bird. All right, let's see those answers. Look at that. These two didn't even need to see a picture of it to get the name right. It is the fluffy-backed tit babbler. Alex and Sam, you are correct. Reese.
What? That's not even a real bird. You can't say tit on TV.
This isn't TV. This is for the ritual.
Sorry. Did you say ritual?
Yep. And regurgitated food contains essential nutrients and more digestible.
Okay, this is absurd. I'm on a prank show, right? This is a prank show?
It is most certainly not, and I'd calm down and save that energy, you little runt. All right, next question. This is present in open woodlands and the thorn savanna. It is notorious for not just throwing, but it will peck the weakest hatchlings out of the nest, usually after about a week. Time to name that bird.
Okay, this is psychotic. You know what? I'm just not going to play this game anymore.
And that is correct, you two. The answer is the bare-faced go-away bird, and you'll be going away one way or another.
What?
Oh. This is always such a bittersweet moment for hatchlings. Alex and Sam are now struggling to receive prey. Nest. Oh, look at those baby birds go. Give a round of applause. And that leaves you, Reese.
Okay.
This is a sad moment. These ones always have to go. Oh. for coming to this episode of Mama Bird. We'll see you next week.